SirToshi's Bitcoin, BSV, Academy. SirToshi's BSV Academy. All learning about Bitcoin, BSV, exists between its starting point and understanding SHA 256. The central starting point of all digital networks should make them economically worthless, security offerings, because if a network can be started by someone, then the same can also be started by someone else anywhere, at any time, meaning an infinite supply and therefore have an economic value of zero. However, the Bitcoin white paper was released before the network was started, which made the starting point common. This little-known fact is what differentiates the Bitcoin network from all other cryptos that are currently listed on any coin market. A central start point should make a digital network a security. However, with a common start point and economic competition being introduced through proof of work applied to SHA 256, it can be classified as a commodity data protocol.
A network is either centrally controlled or economically competitive.
There is no middle ground. A digital network can only remain a commodity network if it is constructed using these 5 common principles. 1. A fixed supply, so no one controls it. 2. A locked protocol, so anyone can build on it and no one controls it. 3. Infinite scale, so no restrictions or limitations can be manufactured on it. 4. Economic competition, so the market is open to all. 5. Common accountability, so all users and developers of the network are equally accountable to one another. This is done with a chain of digital signatures. Economic competition. This takes a little more time to explain because it involves understanding SHA 256, which I have attempted to explain as simply and succinctly as possible here. SHA 256 on 1xa4. SHA 256 is an abbreviation for Secure Hash Algorithm 256, SHA 256. SirToshi.medium.com. www.bibsv.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin, BSV, online.